Lacey here with A Sweet Pea Chef, and welcome back. Today we are going to be making some meal prep shrimp. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious honey garlic shrimp meal prep with Instant Pot brown rice and some lemon snap peas. It's a high protein, low fat, and super quick meal prep recipe. So let's get started. I'm going to be using an Instant Pot to make my steamed brown rice. You could also make it on the stove. I like using an Instant Pot because I can just put all the ingredients in there and then let it go. I don't have to fuss with it while I get everything else ready. So in our Instant Pot, we're going to add in some brown rice. Then we're going to add in the water and stir it together. Then on our Instant Pot, we're going to hit the rice option and we're going to put it on high pressure. And then it's just going to go and it's going to start cooking and it'll seal itself on its own, so just set it aside. If you want to cook your rice on the stove, you would basically follow the same rules here. You would just put it on the stove all together in a deep pot, cover it, cook it on low to medium, have it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes until the rice fully absorbs all the water. While the rice is cooking, we can go ahead and get started with our other parts of our meal prep, starting with our honey garlic shrimp, and then we can do our lemon snap peas. It's all gonna come together while the rice is cooking, making this a very fast meal. We need to start with a honey garlic sauce for our shrimp. So in a small mixing bowl, we're gonna add in some raw honey, followed by low sodium soy sauce, some minced garlic, minced fresh ginger, crushed red pepper flakes, and rice vinegar. And we're gonna whisk all of this together until it's fully combined. Then set that aside for a sec. Now in a large saute pan, we are going to heat it over a medium-high heat. We're gonna add in a little bit of olive oil and allow it to get hot. Then I'm gonna add in my deveined and peeled shrimp into the pan, and I'm gonna cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just looking for everything to get pink and not fully cooked all the way through at this point. Then add in our sauce that we just put together and stir it all together. We're gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 more minutes while the sauce heats all the way through and finishes the cooking of the shrimp. Then you can remove this from the heat and allow it to cool. Then we're gonna add in our fresh sugar snap peas and we're gonna toss it in the oil and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes to get everything nicely tossed together and coated. Now add in some fresh lemon zest, sea salt, and ground black pepper. Then toss all of this to coat. We're gonna cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. What we're looking for is for the sugar snap peas to become a little bit more tender. They still wanna be crisp, especially because we're gonna be reheating this meal throughout the week, so you don't wanna cook them all the way through here. They're gonna puff up a little bit and they're gonna start to get a little bit golden, and that's perfect. When the rice is done in the Instant Pot, go ahead and allow it to release all of the air and then carefully remove the lid, and then you can stir everything up and make sure that the rice has fully absorbed all of the water. Then set all this aside to cool. Okay, so now we have our brown rice all nicely steamed, we have our honey garlic shrimp cooked and ready to go, and we have our cooked sugar snap peas with lemon. Everything is ready to put into our meal prep containers. I love using these glass meal prep containers. I get asked all the time what I recommend, and if you're gonna buy some, I highly suggest these ones. I'll leave the link for you below in the description. Basically, these are very budget-friendly, eco-friendly, they're easy to clean, easy to reheat, easy to store, they're awesome. I use them all of the time. Our shrimp meal is gonna be 4 different meals throughout the week. So I'm gonna spread out 4 different meal prep containers, and I'm gonna start by adding in my steamed brown rice into all of our meal prep containers. Then on the opposite side of the shrimp, I'm gonna add in our lemon snap peas. And then over our brown rice, I'm gonna add in our cooked shrimp, followed by any extra sauce that is left in that pan, because all that sauce is gonna be super tasty and it's gonna season our rice and gonna make a really tasty meal. Then go ahead and seal the lids on tightly and then transfer these into the fridge. They are gonna store in your fridge for up to 4 days, making them a super easy grab and go meal. When you're ready to eat, just go ahead and grab one, remove the lid, place it in the microwave for 1.5 to 2 minutes on high, and you have a delicious honey garlic shrimp with lemon snap peas and steamed brown rice meal ready to eat. Using shrimp in your meal prep is a really great idea if you're wanting to save as much time as possible. Shrimp is naturally healthy, it's very quick to make. This entire meal only takes 40 minutes and you have 4 meals ready to go for the rest of the week. Plus, it's only 349 calories for the entire meal and 29 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber and 6 grams of fat, making it a really great, well-balanced meal to get you through the week. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you out with your meal prep goals. And if you want more meal prep ideas, check out my meal prep playlist for chicken and shrimp and salmon and beef, all sorts of meal prep ideas. And please subscribe so you never miss new weekly recipes. Thanks so much. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.